If you have leftover lasagna sheets, break them up and let's make my one pot lasagna soup. Start off by chopping your vegetables. Here I've got some celery, some onion, and mushrooms. Once they're ready, place a large Dutch oven on medium-high heat and start cooking your vegetables. Then add your garlic, cook for a few minutes, and then add in your ground beef. Add in the oregano, and then cook the ground beef until brown. Then add in the marinara sauce, canned tomatoes, beef broth, tomato paste, and your water. Add the pasta to the soup, and then bring it to a simmer. Bring the heat down to low and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to grate your mozzarella cheese and your Parmesan cheese. When the soup is ready, take it off the heat and add both cheeses to the soup and stir them in. Sprinkle with fresh basil and ladle in the soup bowls with fresh ricotta cheese. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.